Most people want extra income, but have no idea where to start. Today, I'll show you 5 realistic side hustles you can start in 2025, even if you're a complete beginner, and how much you can actually make. Welcome to Career Cash Flow, the place where we talk about careers, income, and building a better financial future. If you're new here, hit subscribe so you don't miss the weekly income-boosting videos. Now, let's dive in. Side hustle. Number 1, freelance admin and virtual assistant work. If you can write emails, organize tasks, or manage calendars, you can become a virtual assistant. Companies today prefer to hire remotely and only pay for hours needed. What you do: email sorting, scheduling, basic data entry, and customer support. Beginners earn $8 to $20 per hour, and experienced virtual assistants earn $25 to $40 per hour. How to start? Create a profile on Upwork or Fiverr and offer 3 services max. Keep it very simple. Side hustle. Number 2, social media management for small businesses. Every business needs content, but most owners don't have time to post. If you know how to create simple posts using Canva, you're already ahead. What you do: create posts, manage comments, and make simple content plans. Small businesses pay $200 to $600 per month for basic management. How to start? Choose one niche. For example, cafes, gyms, or salons, and offer a simple monthly package. Side hustle. Number 3, content creation for brands. UGC. UGC is exploding in 2025. Brands pay regular people, not influencers, to create short videos showing how a product is used. You can make $50 to $150 per video for beginners, $200 to $500 once you gain experience. How to start? Record 3 sample videos with products you already own and send them to brands or agencies. Side hustle. Number 4, freelance writing and blogging. If you can explain things clearly, you can write for money. Blogs, websites, and companies need articles every day. You can make $20 to $50 per article starting out, $100 plus per article with experience. How to start? Pick a topic you know, like travel, fitness, beauty, HR, or tech, and write 2 sample articles to show clients. Side hustle. Number 5, online tutoring or skill-based coaching. If you're good at English, math, a school subject, or even interview coaching, you can teach online. Most tutors earn $15 to $40 per hour, and specialized coaches can charge $60 plus. How to start? Sign up on Preply, Cambly, or simply offer coaching through Instagram or LinkedIn. Now, how to choose the right side hustle? Pick something based on 1, your current skills. Don't start from 0. 2, your available time. 3, your personality. Do you like writing, talking, creating? Start with one hustle, not all 5. Final tip: make your first $50 fast. Your first $50 is the hardest. After that, everything becomes easier because you know what works. Focus on speed over perfection. Done is better than perfect. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more videos on making money and growing your career. Comment below which side hustle you want me to make a detailed video about next. Thanks for watching Career Cash Flow. See you in the next one.